What are you doing?
Get the balls from the toilet. He's getting balls from the quarry.
What vehicle are you using to get the balls?
Yeah, because I've got a controller for the sweeper called Rockstar. Okay, guys?
Is that the new one?
Yeah, it's the new remote control pad. And this is our new vehicle. I've had it over 3 days.
And what kind of vehicle is it?
The Rockstar. It's called the Power Sweeper.
And the tower that you've done out of Rokenbok, what is that called?
Rokenbok Cave.
How have we got enough rocks for the conveyor belt now, Solomon?
Dad, have you seen the sign saying the payroll on it? Daddy, have you seen it?
No, I haven't seen the sign for the payroll department. What's the best bit that you did in your Rokenbok today, Jonah?
Huh?
Is it the chute?
It's the chute.
One of the men has fallen down. Have they had an accident? At the building site?
No, they just come down sometimes. And sometimes they come down with a whack. But,
The rocks are on their way to the conveyor belt.
That's good. Because, everything just tries to slide in somewhere. I don't. Where we don't know where they're going to slide in. So, we controlled Rokenbok and it was lucky we were able to get this Rokenbok because in America and on eBay they don't let you get it. Right. I don't know, Solomon. But
Do you wish they would sell Rokenbok in the UK?
yes. So that we could play with it and other kids could play with it.
Oh, the conveyor belt's going now.
And down to the quarry.
Down to the quarry.
That's not easy.
There's a blockage in the chute.
The way I will have to.
You will handle it, will you?
I put but I got
Rokenbok is great for solving problems.
yeah, it is.
Developing problem-solving skills. Is the chute working now?
Yes. Let's test it again. No. Right. Now I can do it. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yes, we could go wherever. Yeah. Put it out.
Why isn't the sound coming up?
We've got the sound on.
Oh, add music.
What did it not? Stop it, please, Jonah.
Music.